Well, how 100 children do this year? The Queen Quet coming to 100 from right here up in the Chuck one more again. We're in the North Chuck today. We to a place that 100 children might done yet about called Jenkins Institute. Now, plenty of 100 children might not know that name, but you said, where did I know Jenkins or whatever? Because it used to be called Jenkins Orphanage back in the day and things like that. So plenty of 100 children might not realize, but back in 1891, this your place started up. A man named Mr. Daniel Jenkins, he been a preacher and everything. He started up an orphanage for the Lily children. Back then, they used to have all different kind of children would come in. Now, they focus mostly on the gal children. From 11 years old all the way to 21 years old and things like that, they focus on them. So we just get just so we can drop off a few Gullah Geechee goodies for some of the children, yeah? All right, and we just meet the director. How honor to do?
Hey, how are you?
Now, you the director over what program here at Jenkins?
I'm their dorm coordinator.
Ah, the dorm coordinator.
Yes, ma'am.
But now, usually your family from Utahville.
Yes, ma'am.
So all the 100 children, what they out there from Utahville, see one your home gal right there. So tell everybody what your name is.
My name is Miss Shakelsha Davis.
Yes.
And I'm from Utahville, South Carolina. I work here on the weekends, and I also work for the Department of Social Services in Orangeburg, South Carolina.
Oh, that's wonderful.
Yes,
so now, did you actually come to work here through your work with Department of Social Work, or how did you
no,
come
ma'am.
to do this?
This actually came to me as a first job choice 2 years ago. So I was here prior 2 years ago.
Yeah.
And I started working at DSS.
Yeah.
And I left here. I resigned here, and then I got a call back. I got a call from Miss Hudson, and she asked me to come back. I came back, and I started working every other weekend.
Excellent.
And I love children. My passion are for children.
Yeah.
I advocate very strongly for the children. And you have to with children here who think that they've been left here and they have no one to talk to or they've been abandoned.
Yeah.
So my job is to come in. I try to come in and I try to bring things for them, or I try to take them out places so that they can feel as if they're normal, not
and
as
part of the community.
Right, not as if they're just stuck here. My caseworker just dropped me here and I'm just stuck.
I'm just here.
Right. But I do love coming here, working with them. They bring me so much joy when I come on a weekend because it's amazing when you can come to work 7 o'clock in the morning and they're running to greet you at the door.
See, that's what you know you're doing a good thing.
It's amazing.
It's a blessing.
It really is.
Yeah.
It's an honor to come and serve these girls and to hear what they have to say and just listen to the many backgrounds that they come from.
Exactly.
Yeah, it's amazing.
It is. So now tell me something. Most of the girls that you've seen over your years of working here, do they come largely from the Charleston community or they come from all over South Carolina?
They come all over South Carolina. I've had a few that has been from Charleston. Some of them right up the street from here.
Okay.
And they come here. I've had some so far as come from Clinton, South Carolina, and Solo from the Grand Strand.
Okay, so right nearby or way up yonder, as we say, we say, great God, up the road and up country. So 100 children, you see, is a lot of work to be done because in the Gullah Geechee Nation, we truly are the village. So we like to take care of we children. Like she said, they turn normal because this a whole community. It's a whole lot of mommies and daddies, uncles and aunts. We don't ever throw away we children and things like that. Family mean everything. Once we had God, family next for us on the land right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation. So we think it's a blessing that Mr. Jenkins has formed this place. Now I know some of y'all, if y'all, and see I got a long skirt so y'all might not know this, but y'all see me do this here, then let me throw this music in. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, 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 dun. That sound familiar? Look familiar? Remember the Charleston? Right. They used to call them the bottom. And it started right there where we at. And then when they used to tour with the band, the Jenkins Orphanage had a band, they raised money for the orphanage. And then that was a way to also expose the children and people could adopt the children. Ain't that be good? So they still need money raised. So whenever they go out to raise money and things like that, it's one thing. But it's another thing that you can give right now online to the orphanage and things like that. So give them your website and things so that people will know how they can donate.
You can donate at www.jenkinsinstitute.org, or you can come to the Jenkins Institute at Missions Building, and they'll take a donation also from you.
Okay.
Any dollar amount is appreciated. Anything is appreciated, whether it be clothes, whether it's food, whether it's school supplies, whether it's toiletries. Anything is accepted. Any donation, any amount, anything your heart is allowing you to give to these children.
Excellent. So see, now I thought I had to make 2 trips today because we had these here for Gee, and then we had some more food in the trunk. We bring Gee altered. We paid what you can cafe down the road, ain't that far from you. But that a Destiny Cafe. But we could give some of that food right here too, and then cast them to the Destiny Cafe. And we sure it's a destined day for 100 children to be tuning into this Lee Spotlight here upon Gullah Geechee TV. For yet it's a more, but who we be right here in the Gullah Geechee Nation, where Jenkins Institute still there going strong since 1891. So now the new year coming in, but don't wait that long. Give something now while the season going on that you could give thanks for what you got, that you could share them with these little children and things were coming through you, and with the workers who give heart and soul to taking care of the children. So we can't take you inside, would we, because of the children and things like that, but we going inside so that we can share some of this joy with these children and give them some of these your goodies and see what they do with them. So God bless all the 100 children. This year the Queen quit, and if 100 know, if 100 deal with me, 100 go I know this year the what going on.